How to edit personal details. On OneXBet. Open your OneXBet app and directly go to the menu tab on the bottom right of your screen to be specific. After you click the menu tab, kindly click the personal profile on the top left corner of your screen and it will automatically bring you to your personal details for you to change it. There's also some other way to edit the personal details, just like I did in this video. I used the customer support to help me to change my personal details. In here I just reported that I wanted to change my personal details. By doing this, the customer service could probably help you or assist you to edit your personal details. And that's probably all of it. Hope you learned something new with me today with this video. Thank you.